All right, what's going on, guys? So today we're working on this Escalade here, 2002 Escalade, and when you turn it on, you get a buzzing sound from up here. So we're replacing this air cabin sensor. I forget the exact name. I'll leave a link down below. This is the part that I'm using, GM part. This is what we're replacing. So I'm just gonna pull this A-pillar off and then pull this down a little bit, and then hopefully we can just replace this. Let me turn this on real quick, see if you guys can hear it. I don't know if you guys, I could hear it pretty good. You guys could probably hear it, so we're gonna try to fix that. I'm gonna try to be careful not to mess these up because I have broken these before and it's really hard to fix them. Pop this guy off right here, I think. Okay, got that little piece off. I want to be as careful as I can be not to mess up my headliner. I think I'm gonna pop off this B pillar. Just a little bit, just right there. Give me a little extra room. Where am I at? Way back here. Okay, I can see it. Now it's about getting it on. Okay, so I got the old one to right here. You can see all you gotta do is get that unplugged, unplug the new one in, slide it back into place. Oh, I can get it all the way out. That'll make it a lot easier. Struggling. Okay, old one off. Put the new one in. Clicks in good. Just slide it back into place now. And we get this guy, line him up. There we go. Put all this back into place. Make sure that lines up right. Make sure this lines up. And let's hope that the noise is gone. I don't hear it. That is a beautiful thing. Silence. Oh, that's so worth $40. I'm so happy I just did that. That was really easy. It just took me in real time, like 5-10 minutes. So yeah, fix that issue. So yeah guys, this was my little problem on my O2 Escalades. Solve that issue. So yeah guys, one more little issue fixed on the Escalade. Hopefully this helps someone out. This should be just a quick little video. But yeah guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on the future videos. I'm always doing DIY projects and fixing my trucks and stuff like that, so hit that subscribe button. Please give me a big thumbs up down below. I really appreciate it. And that's all guys. Hope you have a great day. Peace.